Hey everybody, Heather from Pickin here. I've got a Honcho Wholesale box of spring and summer shoes, so I'm super excited about it. Let's see what's inside. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so this is a Honcho Wholesale women's shoes of spring and summer stuff. It's supposed to be some really nice fancy shoes, so I'm excited to see. Hopefully I won't want to keep them all. The MSRP is over $1,200. I paid $299 for it, shipped it for $40, so I'm all in at $339. I'm really excited because I finally got a coupon code from Honcho Wholesale. So the coupon code is HOOKED, H-O-O-K-E-D, and you get $15 off any order from Honcho Wholesale. You have to click the link in the description below, and then you can use that code. So each shoe in this box is roughly about $16.95 because there's 20 pairs of shoes. So let's see, they're supposed to all be in brand new condition, never been worn. So I'm super excited about it, and we're gonna see what we have. It's all the way open. Oh man, look at that. So the last box I got from Honcho Wholesale was phenomenal for the amount of money you can sell each pair of shoes for. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take each shoe and I'll pull it out, show you exactly what it looks like. Oh, look at that. They're bagged individually. Now that's a fancy shoe right there. Look at the clear toe on that. Those are cute. So this is a size 7. Color is nude, and it is the brand Azalea Wang is what the brand is. That is a gorgeous shoe. As you can see, totally brand new, never been worn. So we're going to look at another pair of those. So I'll set this to the side. I'll put it away while you're looking at the new pair. This is a size 9. Ooh, it looks like the same shoe, only black. Same shoe, just black in color. Those are gorgeous. Gorgeous.
What size are these?
That one is a size 9. I would break my ankle wearing those, but there are some women that can pull those off phenomenally. So let's check out the next one. Same brand. Oh my goodness, this looks crazy. Oh my word, I love these. Look at this shoe. Now that is a shoe right there. Look at, it's got like the snake skin wedge. Oh my goodness, that is awesome. Only here, I think what I'm gonna do is probably put a lot of these on Poshmark, my Poshmark store. So if you're interested in these, that is a size 8.5. And so we're going to definitely be posting those. Watch my second listing video to see where do we put the shoes and how much do we make. Remember, $339 is where I'm at for a price point. So I'm really excited about that. Oh my goodness, I love this shoe. It's amazing. So we will show them all to you at the end again. But I just kind of wanted to, sorry, got to put this back in the box. So I repackage it perfectly so that the buyer gets an exact brand new shoe. Oh, this is cute. So this is called Boutique by Corky's, and that's it's got little studs on the bottom of it, kind of a leather look to it, kind of those earthy tones. And that is a size 9. Size 9, kind of just slip-on sandal. So it kind of has a little bit of a sheer snakeskin, but leather look. And then I love the little silver detail on the bottom there. So those are really cute. And here is another sandal. Put these over here. Another cute Boutique by Corky's sandal. Really cute rhinestones on it. Very cute. This is a size 8. Kind of that cream color. Look at the rhinestones on the front. Very sparkly. Those are fun. Very soft, cushiony sole on it. So it looks like they would be really fun to wear and all that.
What size did you say?
That is a size 8. Alrighty. Then we have another Azalea Wang, I think is how you pronounce it. Oh my goodness. This is a color of shoe. Look at that. So awesome. Look at that. So it's an orange shoe, and this looks like a lace that goes up your leg, but it's got a gold chain on it. So you would lace it kind of like a gladiator sandal, and then it looks like orange snakeskin stiletto heel. Ooh, it's even textured. And so that is a size 7. Size 7. And it's cushioned, like on the heel, which is really nice for a heel that tall. Yeah, look at that. These are amazing shoes. I love these. Nobody will have a shoe like this on my Poshmark store or on Amazon. They will be the most unique shoes on Poshmark. So make sure you watch that second listing video to see where we put them, so you know where to buy them. Ooh, here's a really nice boot for the animal in you. A nice heel. Size 7. That same brand that Azalea. Oh, you know what's really cool too? Every single one of these pairs of shoes has come with an extra heel stopper. So if any of you ladies know, the first thing to go on a heeled shoe is always the heel cushion, like the rubber stopper. And so this has new ones that you can replace them. So that way, even if the shoe is still there, you know. These were, I didn't say the size, size 7. All right, let's see what's next. Another one of these Azalea Wang ones. Ooh, I see little studded. Oh, look at that. And then it's got like a gladiator strap where you'd put it around your ankle. That is a size 8.5. It's called Perceptor Nude because it's basically tan colored. So these are so fun. I love these. Oh yeah, sorry. The little keep it fresh packet, I guess you call it. Yeah, I'm not sure. What are those things?
I don't know. Just don't eat them.
Don't eat them. All right. Set this over here. Oh my God. Did you get the back of this heel? Look.
That's cool.
It's kind of funky.
That's cool.
It's like an illusion heel almost. That's funky. I like it. Alrighty. It would make it look like your heel was floating. All right. This is one of those Boutique by Corks, not plain, but a cute blue and white kind of loafer slip-on shoe.
It almost looks leather, but it's,
yeah, it does.
Man-made material.
Moxie navy blue, size 8 is what size that one is.
It's a nice shoe.
It is a really, really nice shoe. Ooh, I think I found something similar in a different color.
It's better than our normal Target from Walmart.
Yeah, so these are awesome because we really kind of wanted to upgrade and put some higher end shoes on our store. And so this is definitely why we went with getting some of these so that we can kind of upgrade what our store looks like. So let's see what's in the next one. Same brand. I pulled these out because they look very similar to the blue ones on the picture. Let's see if they are. They are. They're the brown version of them. So a pair of brown. These are size 9s. Oh my goodness. That's like a cloud in there. So soft and squishy. That is really going to be a comfortable shoe to wear. And it's kind of got a little bit of a woven pattern in the bottom. So my guess is your foot would not sweat inside that shoe. So, all right, let's pull out another. I like this brand. So
Where are you thinking about putting most of these?
I think I'll probably put most of them on my Poshmark store, but we're going to do a listing video, although I have had really good luck scanning them and putting them on Amazon Merchant Fulfill. So we're going to check and see. So watch that second listing video. If you want any of these, you can definitely text me or message me at hookedonpickin.com, and we'll see what we can come up with as far as making a deal that way. But you'll probably be able to find most of these on my Poshmark store. Here is another sandal. Look at the glitz and glam on that one. Just adds a little pizzazz to it, which is fun. So we're about halfway through the box. And I love, love, love. As you can see, these are all brand new, never been worn. They don't even look like they've been tried on in the store. So I think these are right from the manufacturer. So I really, really love the quality of these. Remember, this is a Honcho Wholesale women's shoes, spring and summer. The MSRP is $1,200. I paid $339 with shipping. All right, so there's that one. Let's see what else we got. This is one of those Azalea Wang. This looks like a heel. Oh my. That is a cool shoe. Look at that. I would tip over wearing those, but that's a nice thicker heel, not a stiletto style. So this one is a size 8.5. So the one thing I do love about these, about every shoe that we're pulling out, I'm not pulling out size 5.5 and 6, which never sell. I've got a shelf full of those that never sell real well, except for if I price it super cheap. These are traditional sizes. So anywhere, if you can get from like 7 to 9, you usually can sell them at a really reasonable price. So that's been really beneficial. So if we can kind of do a tour of that shoe, zip up in the back so you don't have to unstrap anything, which is nice. So that's a beautiful shoe there. All right, let's see what's next. This is the Boutique by Corky's. Oh, cute little sandal. Kind of a bronze distressed finish looks like on it. That's really cute. Sorry, I had to move a table. So a Boutique by Corky's. This is a size 9. Really clever looking shoe. The nice thing too is these straps are adjustable. So you can unvelcro them and make them a little bit tighter for if you have a wider foot or a thinner foot. So that's going to be nice. That's the one problem I always have with sandals like that is I've got a really skinny foot. And so a lot of sandals I get like this are always too big and they flop around on my feet. So this is nice to have kind of the adjustable option on this shoe. Alrighty. Let's see, we've got another Azalea. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Wang. Oh my goodness, these look amazing. For the animal lover in you, look at this. Zebra and leopard. So a little wedge heel. Zebra and leopard, size 8 is the size. It looks much smaller, but I think it's because the heel is so high, but the angle is not real high because it's wedged up here too. So you don't look like you're walking on stilts, but yet you're going to be much taller with those shoes on for sure. Let's do a little tour here. Those are beautiful, beautiful shoes. And then good grip on the bottom, so you're not going to kill yourself. Let me put this back in there.
What size did you say?
This one is a size 8. Size 8 for those. Alrighty. We've got just a few more in here. This is a really big box. I wonder if it's a boot of some sort. Azalea Wang. This looks like another leopard print, but it's a different style. It's kind of a mid-calf height. Ooh, it's a snakeskin look. Look at that. It looks like a real snakeskin. Wow. All right, so these are size 9 Skywalker. Beige snake is what it's called. Beige snake style of shoe. Look at that. Size 9. A little zippered, easy to wear. So then let's check out the next shoe we've got. Try not to tip over that one. All right, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think, left. 5 shoes. I love all of these. Okay, look at this little wedge. That looks like a really comfortable wedge. So this is Boutique by Corky's. It has a little adjustable clasp on there so that you can put it on easily. Kind of a rose suede, kind of looks like, you know, like a rose-colored suede. So yeah, it's a pretty cute shoe. Comfy one. The thing I like about these is all of the shoes, even though they're like nice dress shoes and stuff, it looks like they have really good heel paddings on them, which if you're a lady and you wear heels, you know that's a good thing to have. All right, here's another Boutique by Corky's. Little wedge sandal. That would match everything with that tan color and the brown bottom, and look how cushiony that foam piece is. So this one is a size 8. Kind of has a little bit of a woven texture on the bottom, kind of a shiny sheer metallic, and an adjustable Velcro back strap on it. Like cute, unique details on that one. All right, just a few more. Let's see, here's another Boutique by Corky. So it looks like just these two brands in there, but I'm totally fine with that because these are adorable shoes. Here's a really cute kind of thong sandal, brown and green. Really, really cute looking, very soft. It is a size 8. It's very comfortable. It kind of feels a little bit like a Croc on the inside. Grippy bottom there. 2 more pair, I think, is all we got in there. 2 more pair. Ooh, they're big boxes. Hold on. I'm not tall enough. Okay, here we go. Another Azalea Wang. Looks like a pair of boots with some cute. Now, this makes me think country singer. Glitzy, this looks like a Dolly Parton pair of boots to me, you know, or Leanne Rimes, but these are really cute. Fringe is coming back in style, so we got some cute rhinestone. This is a black kind of suede look, 7.5. So, yeah, those are cute. And they'd match everything and add a little fun to your wardrobe. All right, last pair coming up. Let me get these on the table. I just barely had enough room on my table for all these gorgeous shoes. And we'll give you a tour at the end of all of them again. All right. I need to be taller, or I need a step stool. That's really what I need. Oh my. These look fabulous. Look at these. Kablamo!
Look at that shoe, man.
It's see-through. Look, it's a clear heel, size 9, kind of a snake skin print. I don't know how tall that heel is. Sure looks like a 6-inch heel, I would say. Zipper back on it to be able to put it on. So that was the last pair of shoes in there. So yep, 20 pairs of shoes. MSRP was $1,224.30. And then with shipping, I ended up paying about $340. Oh, just a reminder, I have a $15 off coupon code that Honcho Wholesale finally gave me. So the code is hooked. Click the link in the description below in order to get to Honcho Wholesale and to be able to get that coupon. But you can also type in the coupon code HOOKED, HOOKED, and get $15 off anytime you use it. So that's going to be an awesome savings for you. But $339 is what I paid for this. I definitely think I'm going to make money on these shoes because these are in phenomenal condition. And the last shoe box I got, they were very, very high-end, expensive shoes. So if you want to kind of take a tour of what we actually have for shoes, these are all the amazing shoes that we got in this Honcho Wholesale box. And if you'd like to order from them, remember the link is in the description and you can get that coupon code HOOKED for $15 off. I don't think there's a stipulation on how much you order, but these are amazing. I love the cute sandals with the rhinestones. So I'm going to have to prevent myself from stealing some of those cute sandals since it's fun summertime. But these are perfect for this time of year. People are looking for shoes for this time of year. And so hopefully you're able to find these on my Poshmark store or find out if I put them on Amazon. But I definitely think I'm going to be able to make money from them. And they're going to be a great resellable option, especially because of the condition. So hopefully it's been fun to see this Honcho Wholesale Women's Spring Summer Shoe Lot, MSRP over $1,200. I paid $339. Don't forget my $15 off coupon for these 20 pairs of shoes that I got. So $15 off of your order on Honcho Wholesale. Click the link in the description below, and hopefully it's been fun to see these amazing, really fun shoes. I'm going to have so much fun picturing and listing these. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. Watch more of my videos. If you're not yet a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscriber button and that notification bell every time I put a video out, which is every single day. These are amazing shoes. Watch my video for listing of this to see exactly where I put them, whether it's Poshmark or Amazon or hooked on Pickin, to see if you can buy them yourself. And don't forget, if you want to buy from Honcho Wholesale, they gave me a 15% off or $15 off coupon. So enter the promo code HOOKED and you can get $15 if you off when you buy from Honcho Wholesale.